Hi, my name is Gerhard Schwantner and welcome to Selling Power TV. Today we continue our conversation with Ryan Kubacki, President of Holton International. Welcome, Ryan.
Yeah, good to see you again, Gerhard.
So yesterday we talked about your book, which is really terrific, that created the foundation for a new sales methodology and a new sales process that has delivered a lot of great results. So based on what we talked yesterday, it seems to me that the success is sort of a combination between using the right technology with the right methodology. Can you tell us about that?
Absolutely. There's never one silver bullet, right? People want to solve everything by a quick training class or a quick methodology. The result is an integrated performance system, and that's where we focus. And so, as you mentioned, we're very excited. We launched a brand new cloud-based software product called the eFox software, and it's really the fuel that powers the power-based selling performance system. And it does a couple things. One, it automates an updated opportunity and account methodology that gives sellers great insight on customer relationships and value positioning and competitive strategy that gives them the insight that they need to increase customer loyalty and win market share. But secondly, because it's integrated into CRM, what a lot of sales managers like about it is it significantly increases the CRM adoption, because where CRMs tend to be kind of pushed down from corporate, it's not a lot of value for the clients. The eFox software is giving the sellers a lot of value. So we see that people start using the CRM more, which then leads to more integrity with their forecast accuracy.
So walk me through a typical scenario. Let's say you're the salesperson and you just made a call with me. What would you typically put into that software and what do you get out of it?
Yeah, that's a great question. So the first thing we would do is start with support-based or relationship-based map, right? So instead of just calling on a lot of contacts that you're not quite sure how it fits together, we actually help them empirically measure customer individuals' level of influence and then the level of support. And that's a lot of aha moments. Whoa, I'm not calling on the right people, or I really have a hole in my relationship map. The second thing is we use very powerful but simple value-based templates around value statements to generate interest, but also value propositions to show quantifiable business cases. And then third, we have an algorithm in there that helps them, based on who they're competing, based on the value, based on what they know about the political structure, helps them pick a purposeful sales strategy. So should they be going head on? Do they have the superiority? Should they try to stall the deal? Should they just go for a piece of it? Should they change the ground rules? And it gives them a very sense of a purpose in what their sales activities are, so there's more of a strategy behind it.
So they can configure their own personalized sales strategy depending on what opportunities they face.
Absolutely, and what's great about it, it's not a lot of data entry. It's all just click and drag, and it's all based on, you can use it in your iPad, your Microsoft Surface, your mobile phone. It really empowers you to have the insight anywhere, anytime.
So how does that help the sales manager?
Well, what's great about that is sales managers usually sit down with sellers and just sort of say, hey, you think you're going to close the deal? And then you get an hour answer in every single meeting they're having and so forth. Now a sales manager can simply look at the dashboard and know in seconds they have a relationship map, they know who the influential people are, they have the right value positioning, and they have a strategy. And then as a manager, I can take that and link it to the pipeline and say, okay, you told me you progressed from 20% qualify to 40% develop in my pipeline stage. Yet you don't even know who the influential person is yet. Sounds like we maybe need to go back and let's have a discussion. So it gives the sales manager evidence points to coach the seller, make it more of a sales management process.
Can you share with us what type of analytics have you built into this engine?
Yeah, absolutely. We've created an analytical dashboard that allows sales managers not only to measure evidence points in the forecast, but also leading indicator behavior. So for example, let's say you've trained 100 of your managers, and you've said, okay, I want them to do certain kinds of deal reviews, including how to do a political support-based map. You can now go into your CRM, look at a dashboard and say, hey, I thought we were going to have 50 opportunity plans. I only see 20. Which ones are doing it and why? It gives you a chance to diagnose, is it a competency issue? Is it an accountability issue? Do they need more support? And it gives you a sense to focus not only on the results, the lagging indicators, but the leading indicator behaviors, which will lead to those kind of results that you're trying to achieve.
So it sounds like you can create a predictive sales organization where the productivity goes up and the effectiveness goes up at
That's
the same
right.
time.
It'll never be a perfect science, but it's a
Right.
lot more of a science than people understand it to be, and that's our mission.
So for anybody who would like to get more information, go to holdeninternational.com. And how is that spelled?
It's HOLDEN and then INTL.com. That's our website. It'd be great to have you. We'd love to partner with you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Ryan.
Gerhard. It's always a pleasure.